Welcome back. Now, South Africa has a significant retail investor base. On the JSE, the Purple Group alone has about 150,000 retail shareholders, capitalizing on the rise of the retail investor. Chinese retail share trading platform WeBull has its sight set on the country for growth and expansion. I caught up with Ricardo Da Silva, the CEO of WeBull SA, and asked him to take us through the factors driving appetite for retail investing in the country. Here's what he had to say.
We're seeing a growth in retail investing, and we're wanting to provide that access and opportunity to our clients. We see that there is a growing interest that people want to take care of their financial futures and manage it themselves. And look, we're here to try and provide a platform where clients can easily invest in the top companies globally and around the world, from South Africa, and do it in a way that is cost effective and through a platform where they have access to the deepest research tools and information that is available.
So, with the rise of the retail investor, I just want to get your insights on what you think this suggests about the current investment landscape, right? We did say that we saw the surge coming post-COVID, but post-COVID, the environment has really changed.
Yeah.
What are some of the trends you're seeing?
Look, after COVID, there has definitely been a decline. People were at home, people were trading, but we are seeing those numbers come back with the increased access to shares and trading around the world. I mean, especially in our global offices, we see a huge enthusiasm for being able to access things in an easy way and in a cost-effective way. For too long, especially in South Africa, access to US markets, it's not that there hasn't been access, it's just been really expensive and kind of complicated to do. And we're looking to change that. We're wanting to provide clients with the opportunity to, if a news story breaks in Japan, in Australia, where through our platform they can easily react to that and take advantage of those opportunities as they arise, and not just be kind of, locked into South Africa or South African shares, or locked into a geographical location. Because that's just where you have access to. So our goal is to provide those opportunities to the South African investor.
So are there plans to then put local shares onto the platform?
Yes. At the moment, our priority is to create seamless access for the US markets. It's the deepest and most sophisticated market in the world. It's got the greatest opportunities in some of the most important companies globally. But yes, offering South African shares is definitely one of our highest priorities. We just want to make sure that we do it in the right way. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and we are starting that work already. And we're hoping that by the end of the year, our clients will be able to access South African shares and do it in a way that is, the way WeBull normally offers shares, and be it through fractional investing or buying full shares.
Ricardo, talk to me about how WeBull plans to create a active client base. On some of these platforms, we see a lot of dormant accounts where at some point you're investing and then you get bored and then you leave it and that account just sits.
I think a lot of that comes down to fees, right? And also the kind of platforms that are available in South Africa. A lot of the online platforms that South Africans have access to are sort of your leverage products. There's overnight charges and things like that. And we're wanting to provide clients with real shares, real ownership of these companies. So we do see this as an opportunity to do that and build that platform with the technology and give clients the tools to access the markets in a way that they can make informed decisions.
And would you say that's your selling point, your competitive edge, those low fees?
The low fees allow clients to invest more than they might have, right? We have plenty of promotions. For example, if you open an account with us, you get 30 days of commission-free trading. But we run various promotions where you can attend a webinar and maybe get some commission-free trading, or we'll provide you with free shares. Fund your account and we'll give you some Tesla shares. And what we're trying to do is provide the clients with an opportunity to build their portfolio slowly over time, because then they can take advantage of things like the power of compounding and actually build wealth slowly and progressively as they get older. And we ultimately want clients to keep investing into those positions. We have things like recurring investments. So if some clients don't want to every month look or every day look at their portfolios and buy things, they can easily set up recurring investments through us. And that allows them to say, well, every month I'm going to put X amount of money into the S&P 500. And that's a classic approach to building your wealth in your portfolio.
Talk to me about WeBull's expansion plans, Ricardo. The group has been very bullish from the US into emerging markets like Asia, China in particular. Are you using South Africa as a gateway into Africa?
So we very much see Africa as the future. We are expanding aggressively globally, but Africa we do see as a long-term play, and our idea is to start in South Africa. We see it as the financial center of Africa. It's got the best regulatory environment. It's got a strong legal system. So yeah, this is where we're setting up our headquarters for Africa, and then we are planning on expanding into the rest of the continent through partnerships. We see our product as the right kind of product to take into Africa because of the low fees and the technology that we provide. We see it as a way that clients can safely invest and safely build those portfolios versus what does tend to happen a lot on the continent, through these more, I guess, sort of gambling type of products. That's not there to build long-term wealth. And what we want to do is give clients that opportunity to really take control of their financial future.
That was Ricardo Da Silva, CEO of WeBull SA.